Hello viewer, we are going to generate the designs here, making the shapes and creating of designs here, creation of clipping mask. So there we will have some further designs and creation of the designs here. I will pick up some pattern stamp on the surface and also apply the paint bucket tool. There it is. We will again make some shapes here. So these are the shapes we have drawn on the surface.